Hi, LindaBauwin here from stampingwithlynda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. I am so glad you joined our blog hop. It is a celebration kickoff blog hop, and I featured 2 celebration items in my project that I'm going to share with you today, and one of them being the Shimmer Ribbon Pack and the Party Pandas. These little panda bears are just party mode, and I used the Picture Perfect Party Designer Series paper, which is a 6x6 stack, and I did my cards as the narrow note cards. These are a new note card, a smaller note card that are featured in the Occasions catalog. And the cool thing about these note cards are that they match the Sure Do Love You Lots of Love box framelits, and they look like so. So this box is the perfect size for your note cards and envelopes. But this video is going to show you how to make this box. Now, when I first got the box and went to make it, I was a little bit challenged, so I thought I would do a video to show you how you make that box. Here is the die, and you need to cut 2 of them. I used, oh, and I see that I did not run it all the way to the top. I must have stopped my cutting mat just a little bit short of that top of that box. But when I first got this, I was having a brain freeze. I didn't know how this box went together, so that is why I decided to shoot a video and show you how easy it is to make this box. Now, it confused me because there was 2 flaps, and I'm like, I must have to cut off one flap. I tried to glue them together, just couldn't figure out how they went. But basically what you do is, I'm scoring all those lines, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in some tear and tape, and you want to do your tear and tape right up against your score line. So let me find the edge of my tear and tape, and I'm just going to run that down on both sides. And then what was confusing me was I thought the box went together like so, and then I didn't have anything for the bottom, but technically the box goes like so. So you have both the flaps, one on each end. So I'm going to remove that tear and tape on this side, and I am just going to line that up like so. Oops, and look, I'm doing it just how I told you not to do it. So let's pull this apart. What is it? Do as I say, not as I do. Well, that's exactly what I just did. So let's go ahead and add some more tear and tape. That's what was confusing me the last time when I first did it. So I showed you exactly what you shouldn't be doing. So I want the ends to be on the opposite, like this. So we're going to go in here, we're going to add it like so. Now we're going to flip it over. Now I've already got this tape on here, so I'm just going to trim that off a little bit so it'll be nice and even on this side. So now you know what you shouldn't do. You want the ends on different ends. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold this down like so, and it will line right up and make my little box. So the bottom just flaps in like so. I have already cut 2 pieces of that Picture Perfect Designer Series paper. Again, this is a stack of paper. They're 6x6. And I'm just going to add some adhesive on there. and mount them right on my box. So there you have it. How easy it is to make this box. Now it can be used also for a treat. You could cut a design in the front, use a window sheet, but again, I just liked to do it so that it matched all of my narrow note cards. So hope you've enjoyed this video as I showed you what not to do and what you should do when you are making the Lots of Love box framelit. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining our blog hop. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.